Hi everyone, and welcome to my short video on outdoor learning spaces that inspire inquiry. We're going to be looking at outdoor spaces and how they look and feel and why they're important for our young learners. So one aspect of an outdoor learning space that I think is very important for our young learners is giving them opportunities for observing the natural phenomena. So spaces that have gardens that the students can watch things grow, trees so they can watch the changes in the seasons, and if you can, a water feature so students can see the changes in that as well. I also think having hands-on experiences for students to explore their environment is very important. They can explore their creativity, they can test their ideas, they can build on existing ideas, and having a lot of open-ended materials so the students can explore their wonderings is important. Next, having movable components outside, so again, loose parts to incorporate into their play. This can help them with imaginative play, which allows students to work through their questions. I really like having movable components in my outdoor space because it helps with the inquiry, but it also supports students' physical development. And lastly, I think this is the most important component to an outdoor learning space to inspire inquiry, is a gathering space for your students, a place where you can come together and they can ask you questions and they can talk with their peers about wonderings and things that they found outside. I think that gathering spaces, you should always have one that's covered. So if it's raining or snowing or very sunny, you can still go outside and have those inquiries with your students outside. And having a space where you can put their ideas and their works and their questions outside so they can go back and look at those things throughout their time is very important as well. So I would just like to thank all of these great websites for inspiring me today. All the pictures that I have on my slides come from these sites. So thanks again, and thanks for joining me.